Good morning, children. Now today we will start chapter 9, that is fractional number. We have learned about fractional number in previous class also. Now today we will just recall this. Okay. Fraction. Fraction means which number you will write in that form. It is called the fraction. That is numerator by denominator. If we will take an example, 1 by 2, 1 is numerator, okay, and 2 is denominator. Understood? Now here we will see how to write fraction of the given picture. Now here this picture we are dividing into 4 parts, and here we are shading 2 parts. 1 and this is 2. Okay. Now other picture we will take. Now here we are shading. It is the shaded part. Okay. Now how to write the fraction we will see here. First we will see how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Okay. So total number of parts is 4. Now how many shaded part? 1 and 2. So we will write it 2. So we will write here shaded portion is 2 by 4. Similarly, if you will see the unshaded portion or unshaded fraction, we can write. How many parts are there? 4 equal parts and 2 are unshaded. So you will write here 2. So like this we will write the shaded part and unshaded part. It is called the fraction. It is 2 is in numerator and here 4 is in denominator. Here 2 is in numerator and 4 is in denominator. Earlier in class 3 also you have learned. Now you will see again. This is the circle. We are dividing it. How many parts are there? Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of parts is 8. So first we will write the shaded part. Then we will write the unshaded part. Okay. Shaded part 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are shaded. So you will write it 4. And total number of parts is 8. So shaded part is 4 by 8. Now unshaded 1, 2, 3, 4. Unshaded part is 4 and shaded part total number of part is 8. Understood? Similarly we can see the other picture. One more picture we will see. It is cube. And this part we are shading. Okay. So shaded fraction will be 1, 2, 3. Total number of shaded part is 3 and total number of parts is 4. So shaded part is 3 by 4. Then unshaded part is, here unshaded is 1 and total part is 4. So how to write the fraction? Understood, children? Now today we will start exercise 9.1. Understood? Now exercise 9.1. In exercise 9.1, first is given, that is a rectangle here and it is divided like this. Okay. And here shaded part it is the shaded part. This one, this one, this one and this one. Okay. here it is asking write the shaded portion. Okay, we have to write the shaded portion. Number 2 is also here. Circle. Okay, here it is shaded part is 3 parts are shaded. 1, 2 and this one 3. Okay. Now next is number 3. Here how many parts? 6 parts are there. And 2 parts are shaded. 1 and then 2. Okay. Next is 4. One, 2, 3. Then again 1, 2, 3. Okay. And here shaded part is this one, and this one. Now here we have to write the shaded portion. Now first we will see how many parts are there. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. So total number of part is 8. Now shaded part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 we will write in the numerator. So 5 by 8 part is shaded in this picture. Now in number 2, how many parts are there? First we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of parts we will write it down 8. Now shaded part is 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 3. So shaded portion is 3 by 8. We are writing here shaded portion. Okay, shaded portion. Question is that write shaded portion. Understood? Now in number 3. Here how many boxes are there? Total number of boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of boxes is 6. How many are shaded? 1, 2. So you will write 2. So out of 6, 2 is shaded part. Next question here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many parts are there? Total is 7. Now how many shaded part? 1, 2, 3. So you will write it 3. So it is the answer. Understood? So question number 1 we have completed. Now we will see question number 2. In question number 2, one box is given here. In this box, numerator is given and here denominator is given. 1, 4, 11, 21, 101 and 237. It is the numerator and denominator is 3, 7, 15, 37, 111 and 301. Now question is that write the fraction using numerator and denominator. Here we have to write the fraction. We know that fraction is equal to numerator by denominator, numerator by denominator. For the first, number 1, for the first numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. So it is the fraction of this box. Now number 2, 4 is numerator, 7 is denominator. So 4 by 7. Then in number 3 box, 11 is numerator, denominator is 15. So 11 by 15 is the fraction. 9 fourths, 21 is numerator, 37 is denominator. So 21 by 37. Now in 5, 101 is numerator, 111 is denominator. So it is the fraction of 5. Now in number 6, 237 is numerator and denominator is 301. This is This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So it is the answer of this question. Understood? So we have completed 1 and 2 question. Next class we will see question number exercise 9.2.